The hype for the brand new 2024 Tesla Model Y has been through the roof, and from the looks of things, this one Tesla employee simply could not contain his excitement as he broke company protocol to share a huge update on the upcoming EV with the rest of the world. Keep watching to find out the latest on what the EV giant has been cooking up. Update on Model Y. Tesla Model Y is a small SUV that took the market by storm on its release with its unique amenities and world-class performance. That said, consumers have been waiting imperatively for an update on the model, and from what the recent Tesla employee has to say, the wait might just be worth it. According to the leak, Tesla will be making some serious changes to the current Model Y to take its performance to the next level. We're talking about a significant upgrade in both the performance and amenities departments. New battery and powertrain. The American EV maker is going to start by swapping out the old battery architecture for a brand new one. The upgraded version is going to give the Model Y a mind-blowing range of 400 miles on a single charge. That's certainly a new achievement for the EV maker, since the current Model Y can only go as far as 326 miles, and this is a long-range model. Tesla clearly plans to go further than it ever will with the new Model Y. On top of improving range, the advanced battery structure will also be boasting charging times. According to the Tesla employee, consumers will see an upturn from its current charging times to 250 kilowatt hours to record a fast rate of 350 kilowatts, thus allowing consumers to hit the road that much faster and save time. What's more, Tesla will also be making the powertrain to the next level. While we don't have the specifics for the new powertrain, the employee did confirm that the new suspension system will allow for a much smoother driving experience on rough terrain. Tesla is already shocking customers by upgrading the suspension system on the current Model Y in January 2023 for a smoother driving experience. Interior upgrades. These changes are a part of Tesla's top-secret Project Juniper. According to the two anonymous sources who talked to Reuniters, Tesla is gearing up to make serious changes to the exterior and interior of its top-selling EV. No details about the interior upgrades were revealed, but knowing Tesla, it will be equipping the Model Y with the most innovative tech in the industry. Like the bioweapon defense mode, the feature can be currently found in Model S and Model X and employs hospital-grade EPA filtration technology to remove air pollutants from the car's interior air. The bioweapon defense mode is not found in the current Model Y, and so it will be a huge improvement. The Model Y is also expected to feature Tesla's autopilot feature along with the new FSD technology. At the moment, the exact capabilities of those systems remain unknown, but considering Tesla track records, it's bound to be a groundbreaking upgrade. Production in 2024. Sources also confirmed that Tesla will be kicking off production in 2024, with various reports confirming a revamp of Model Y. It means that Tesla is on track to offer brand new versions of its best performing models in the next 2 years or so, thus meeting rising demands in both the US and Chinese markets. Auto Pacific President and Chief Analyst Ed Kim, who had been keeping track of Project Juniper for a while now, said that with the Model Y being not only Tesla's top seller, but also the top-selling EV in the world, it's important to keep it fresh. Tesla's response. However, the EV giant is yet to comment on future plans for the Model Y. Elon Musk and other executives keep their lips sealed on Tesla's Investor Day. Reuniters did confirm ongoing work to retool the assembly plant at Shanghai for Project Highland, which will oversee the future production of a revamped version of its Model 3 sedan. While Tesla did not talk about future plans for the Model Y, it did detail plans for unifying production across the three plants. Company Chief Financial Officer Zach Kirkhorn said that the current factory layout for the EV production across three plants are different at the moment. But going forward, the tech giant will be surely working to standardize planning for future vehicles. This will allow Tesla to reduce costs and complexity. Sources also reported that the company has already reached out to suppliers for quotes for exterior and interior components. When will Tesla make plans public remains to be seen. However, we can confidently say that the new Model Y will be a success. The company's Berlin Gigafactory will hit production with a record of over 200,000 annual output. That puts the EV maker 3 weeks ahead of its internal production target. Safe to say, Tesla knows what it's doing. Until next time, bye now.